Hey gents, it is me. Well, I wanted to share this with you, Nick, and also Chris. Here's where we're at. I figured out how to create child portals. So, Chris, this means we can have our main site, then within the same database, handles all these other little small sites. So you can have multiple sites running through this. So we can actually have teams. So if we log in here, we take a look. In the left panel menu, we've got something, Guild Teams. So I'm going to give that a click. Whoops. So I get used to the new mouse. I'm going to give that a click. It says, okay, well, let's have you log in. And I'm still in the parent site. So I'm going to log in. Now I'm still in my parent site, but I got this hidden page. But it requires me to log in because we're assuming team members are members of our site. So when I get here, I could have all sorts of, a whole bunch of team 1 through N, many as I want. So we can be running multiple development projects with developers all over the world. That's very powerful. Another thing too, each one of these teams are going to be at different levels. So, we could talk about that also. So I click Team 1. Now, take a look up here. Let me zoom in for you before I do this. globalcodeguild.com, blah, 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 blah. Here's the tab IDs. At the end here, now notice there's no... when we get into that new page, it'll be a slash, and it'll say Team 1. So I give it a click. Here I am. This is a link back to the parent site. So now, just that individual team can see this. And I can also password this too. So if we go up here, let's see. Let's take a scroll off the East Coast here. Let's see if it'll... Bear with me here. There it is. This guy right here. Team 1. That is the child portal of the Global Code Guild. Page called Guild Teams, tab ID. Basically it's like a page. dnnmax.com. Team 1. Now, wouldn't it be cool if we had Team 500? Think about that. And if we got 20% everything, woohoo! So, there's that. What else can I tell you here? So let's go back over here. Oh, and by the way, when the admin for this is a different admin password. So I just take admin and I toss a Team 1 at the back end of it. Just to keep it simple. If I go back here now, it takes me back to the main page. And we have all our typical left panel menu. If I log in, down below, there's going to be all our planning stuff down here, Chris, that nobody can see except you and I. And let's see here. We got our books page. And then we got our store. Yep, good stuff. There's our Join the Guild page. We got a lot of work to do on this yet. But I just wanted to share with you the concept of child portals off the parent. And if you're sharp, you can get a whole bunch of domain names, but then you don't have to have each $20 per site cost. You could just have one domain website running through one database, one service account with the provider, that PowerDNN, and then you can be running just a boatload of websites off your database and just have a nice big menu system, and it can really get quite sweet. So that's it, guys. Just want to share that with you. Nick, .NET Nuke is definitely what you need. It'll put you light years ahead of everything, and I'm going to kind of move into the .NET Nuke coding in time because I need to create some custom stuff, and then so whatever your endeavors are, I'll be able to share content with you guys. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Steve from the Global Code Guild, signing out.